Alright, class. On compte sous 50. On compte sous 50. Nous allons compter arriver sous 50. Now, we're going to count to 50. We're going to count to 50. That's what I just said. On compte sous 50. Now, as we're moving to the upper lessons, 8, 9, 10, you will see I will have less and less English titles, except for the main title. It's because I know you're getting used to the words and then you know them. So that's what we're gonna do. Now we're gonna count to 50. N'a compté sous 50. N'a compté, rivé sous 50. Compter. Ready? Let's go. 41. 42. You can watch your screen. 43. 44. 45. 46. 47. 48. 49. 50. Now, those are sounds that we already saw. So all these sounds, we already saw all of them. So I know you can. I know you can pronounce that. 41. 41. 41. Now, if you feel like you're still having a little difficulty pronouncing those, go back to the basic sounds, right? And keep pronouncing them, because this should be easier for you once you do that. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. What do you say? It's easy, right? Easy. One last time. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. That was counting. Now we're going to move to our conversation. Next slide.